How would you suggest people find that right size to move into? How do you right size?
Well, I think it really comes down to understanding your own personal circumstances and needs. I think you have to understand that going from a 4-bedroom home with a huge backyard into a 1-bedroom unit, that might be too drastic a change for many. And of course, what we also know is when people downsize or right size, they still have family members or friends who come to visit. So you need to sit down and do a list of what your requirements are. You might be prepared to accept that something smaller is what you need, but you still have a need for maybe an extra bedroom, or it might be that you even have a need for a 3rd area that you can use for a hobby, or perhaps it's a living room with a sofa bed in it that can still convert to allow family members to come and stay. So it's important that you sit down and understand what your needs are and what your wants are, so that you're not buying something that ultimately leaves you disappointed and doesn't meet your requirements. Hi, I'm Antonia Mercorella, CEO of the Real Estate Institute of Queensland. Thanks so much for watching this video, which is a segment from PropIQ, a show produced by the REIQ to help provide insights into real estate for both people in the industry and consumers. I'd love it if you could subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell. That way you'll get notified whenever we post a new video. Speaking of new videos, you might want to check out this one next.